These are bunion pliers, and while we don't use them very often, they're one of the many little gadgets you'll find in a shoe repair shop. And I promise to show you what those bunion pliers are all for in a minute. Up the front of the shop we've got a couple of counters set up where the customers come in and drop off their repairs. On this side we've got where we do the shoe repairs on the soles of the shoes and boots. And this machine is the noisy grindery thing. Down here we've got an oven for heating up soles and the glue bench. That's got fume extraction which sucks the glue fumes down, then they go out the pipe and out onto the roof. On the other side of the shop we've got it all set up for the uppers of the shoes, so anything to do with laces and zips and velcros and things of that nature. Down the back we've got a small staff room out the back there, and we've got our stretching machines that run across the back wall because things stay on there for a day, so we don't need to see them very often. Here's our little target sheet, so we know if we're on target for our sales and our work done. It's important that we get all the work done on time every time, so it's just good to track these things, and we generally have a 5-minute meeting about that in the mornings. There went a welt expander. This little fella stretches out the edges of leather shoes and things. We just work Monday to Friday, and often one of us will start sort of earlier that wants to get away earlier, and another one will start later who wants to work a bit later. Rubbing the customer's foot on the big toe joint, we can reach in, stretch that out, and now they'll be more comfortable. So if you'd like to work in a busy little environment, click the Apply Now button and we'd love to hear from you.